I told y'all a couple lives ago that a piece was gone. A piece was gone. I actually sold it. I sold it. And I sold another piece. It was my SP404A, and I also sold the H5N Zoom recorder. So it's the H5N Zoom recorder. I sold that as well. So now I have this. Give me a second. You know, got to make sure the hands look right. Can't have no ashy hands in the unboxing. Getting the hands looking right. See, the hands are going to be looking right. Gotta get them ashy parts up out of there so the hands can look right. Yeah, but what I want you to do is support the channel. How you support the channel is you look at the link in the bio, buy me a coffee or something like that. We're about to start ramping up tutorials and things of that nature. We're unboxing the Roland SP404MK2. If you want to see it this way so that you can see the name a certain way. I don't know which way is going to be the best way for you, but there it is. It actually looks like a shoebox now. The other box was way bigger. I sold the SP404A, which was one of the most criticized pieces of equipment ever. It was kind of one of the hardest devices to actually produce a beat on. Thanks for producers like SP-Vids who took the time out to go over the SP404SX, and some of the features were still the same. So I've been watching, you know, Sarah the Instrumentalist. I've watched, you know, DJ Av. I've watched SP-Vids. I've watched Najor, and I watched them talk about the updates, as well as I, you know, took a look at the Roland website, and I said, with those effects, I have to get this. Shout out to the following people. Shout out to the homie Jazzmatic, my boy. Shout out to Khalif Wins. Shout out to Post Music. Shout out to Creative D Will. Shout out to DC Carson Music. I also want to give a shout out to Linda's son, because I see he has an SP404 as well as the MPC Live 2. But I know y'all like, man, you're doing a lot of talking. Go ahead and unbox that thing. So this is my unboxing. Let's get to it. There's the tape. It's brand new. Oh, yeah. Check this one out. Shout out to Roy. Just met him. And my camera's kind of low, so I'm gonna, instead of flipping it open like that, I'm gonna slide the box in like so. So, and this is what you get. This is what it looks like. So you got this SP404MK2 flap. So it comes with this instruction set. We'll get to that in a minute. Last time I bought a SP404, it came with the card, and you know, I know that there's a software that goes with this as well. So we will get into this in a minute. But here's the coup de grace. Oh. You know how it is. You know how us gearheads are. So, we got our cable. Woohoo! I hope this cable's better than the other one. Look at that. There's the cable. I did a camera unboxing, and I never put the video out when I unboxed the camera. I'll have to go back and find it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel this. You know, most people, they just take it and throw it away. But look, we got our power cord. What's up, everybody? I didn't get to finish, but like I said, you know, my link in the description. You can buy me a coffee. You can buy a sound pack. You can, you know, support the channel. I'm gonna try to keep giving y'all content that blesses you and supports you as well, and help you get your music production goals and dreams getting on as well. Be prepared for videos coming out. Some are going to talk about, you know, beat making. Some are going to talk about song structure. Some are going to talk about sampling. Look at this, man. This feels so much smaller. The other one was a giant compared to this. This is why it comes in a smaller box, because the other one was like this big. All right, so it's a smaller device. Look at that. Yes. Oh my goodness. Dude, look how, that's a beauty. Oh my goodness. You know, like when it did double rainbow.
Whoa, that's a full rainbow. All the way. Double rainbow. Oh my God. It's a double rainbow all the way.
I feel like the double rainbow guy right now. Look at this. All right, so we got the setup, the layout, kind of similar, but different. 4 pads, or 4 rows of pads. even though these are rows. This was a column. 4 columns of pads, 4 rows of pads. 5 if you consider these additional pads now. So still takes batteries. Yo, can you? I can 6 batteries. The batteries in these joints die so fast it doesn't make any sense. I wonder, do they have a contract with battery makers? And what's the best batteries that you have? All right, but this is the biggest reason why I wanted to get this. Look at this. You have your USB-C, where you can transfer sounds. You have your MIDI in and out, so you can do this digitally. I have to get a digital cable for the back of my audio interface. But look at this. You have the 1/4 inch, line in and line out, which is a gold mine going from the device to device. So I can't wait to hook it up. I can't wait to get started with it. Can't wait to play with it, but much smaller than the other one, especially by size comparison. But I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna love adding effects. And then with this one, I'm gonna go all the way and learn with this one. So everybody that supported the channel, this is the new baby to the channel. Thank y'all for supporting me. I truly appreciate you and all the support you've given me. Thank you for helping me to get over 2,200 subscribers and followers, and I'm gonna try to make sure that I keep giving y'all great content. I got the things you didn't know about music series. We talk about everything, just not beats and stuff like that. But, this is some of the stuff that we're doing right here. More tutorials, things of that nature. And, hey, leave a question. If you have any questions in the comments, I'll try my best to answer them and get back to you as soon as possible. If you got questions about the Maschine Plus, if you got questions about the MPC Live 2, if you have questions about Ableton, I'm on Ableton 10, so I can answer Ableton 11 questions. If you got questions about the Push 2, if you got questions about software, if I have it, I will try my best to answer your question. All right, everybody, this is Daysun Civil of Civil Days Music, signing out. If you like, make sure you check the videos that we have in the description. There's one thing I forgot. One thing I forgot to do, so check this out. I forgot to turn it on. That's the coup de grace. Everybody does it. They turn it on and then you see the flash. So here we go. We're gonna see the splash screen, everybody. All right. Boom. There it is. Uh-oh. MK2. Booyah. All right, y'all. We're gonna be in business. So check this out. Stay tuned. We got some learning to do and we got some videos to make. All right, everybody. Peace.